Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for returning. And if it's your first time, you are warmly welcome. Today, family, on our menu, we have a simple yet the perfect waakye stew to complete your waakye. This recipe is simple, so flavorful and aromatic. Above all, it's easy to make. So without further ado, let's get to the kitchen as always and begin. Firstly, I've cleaned and washed my cow skin and tripe and they smell amazing. Okay, you can use goat meat, beef, chicken, or use any meat of your choice. You can even use liver, kidney, the cow kidney or goat kidney. Just use them and then make your stew with them. Now onto the meat, I've added scotch bonnet pepper for heat. I'm now adding my chopped onions. You can use the red onion instead of the white. They are all good to go. I'm going ahead to add my chopped ginger and then my chopped garlic. I'll then add parsley. You can use thyme, rosemary, okay, and it's all good. I've added all-purpose seasoning and now salt to taste. Stir to combine everything nicely together. Add a little bit of water for steaming and then wait till it's well cooked. You can as well leave the meat for them to release their own juice for steaming, alright? After 5 minutes, we are back and the meat is almost ready. So we're going to go ahead and prep the other ingredients. And we have anise seeds, star anise seeds, cloves, bay leaves, and black peppercorns. We also have onion and scotch bonnet pepper. We're going to put them in the blender and of course blend them until they are all nice and smooth. And we will use them later on in the course of the cooking. Okay, so keep watching and go nowhere. Into the frying pan, I've added my sunflower oil and I've also added my onion. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm going ahead to add salted tilapia and salted beef for flavor. And yeah, I have switched up the saucepans because the first one was actually frying so slow and I do not want that because I want to leave the kitchen very fast. Yeah, so I've added some tomato paste and I'm going to fry for about 10 minutes before I add any other ingredients. Okay, this will help the stew taste amazing. And in case the tomato paste has some sourness in it, by that time it should all be gone. Yeah, 10 minutes later, I'm adding my blended tomatoes, ginger, and garlic. And yeah, can you see that? This tomato paste has really fried well. I love the aroma. So keep stirring to combine everything nicely and beautifully together. This smells already amazing. Ten minutes later, the stew is almost ready. So now let's add the broth from our meat to the stew because it will enhance the stew's aroma and taste. Again, stir to combine everything beautifully together. Ooh, boy, oh boy, this is so aromatic. Family, I've switched up the saucepan again because I want a bigger one. Okay, so that's by the way. I'm adding herring powder for flavor and to boost the taste of the stew. And again, I'm adding dark soy sauce to at least darken the stew a little bit and to also add its own amazing flavor to the stew. Continue to stir to combine everything beautifully and nicely together as always. And boy, oh boy, this is so magical. My house smells amazing already. And I've added tuna chunks in sunflower oil and I'm adding shrimp tablet and salt to taste. Gently stir to mix everything together nicely. Adding tuna chunks in sunflower oil or brine is optional, so as any other canned or tinned fish. And you can use any seasoning of your choice. Okay? You're going to let it simmer for about 25 minutes more to be ready. Yeah? 20 minutes later, the stew is almost ready. So now let's add our cooked meat. And I didn't fry them, it's optional. You can choose to fry or leave them like this as I've done. And guys, I added kidney in the course of the cooking. Okay, so add any meat of your choice. And this is so aromatic. Beautiful. Mamma mia. It's so simple, quick, easy recipe to follow. Can you see that? It's ready, and now I'm adding my boiled fried egg and my fried tilapia. Usually I use red snapper, but fortunately or unfortunately, the only fish in my freezer was tilapia, so I used it and I love everything about it. This stew is so quick and easy to make. It's so simple, aromatic, flavorful, and so mouth-watering. I believe you've been inspired. As I always say, don't just watch the video but give this recipe a try. Bring me the feedback and I'll really appreciate it. Okay, this stew is so ready and it's about to go down. If you are looking for a simple WAAKYE stew, then look no further. This stew right here is perfect to complete your WAAKYE. I'm so impressed, and guys, I've shown you 5 ways of making delicious WAAKYE at home. Check the video out, give the recipe a try, and thank me later. Because I'm so sure that if you watch my WAAKYE video, you will not make WAAKYE the same again. You will love my recipe. Family, please don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share for others to see. Okay, please spread the word and also comment on the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new on the channel to join this amazing family and you will not regret it. Okay, don't forget to also click on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. Yeah. For more of these videos, please follow me on Instagram, like my Facebook page, follow me as well on Facebook, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow me on TikTok. Let's TikTok there, okay? Ooh, this is so beautiful and so aromatic. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to start eating it. In fact, I've enjoyed this already. Oh, I hope you have been inspired. Thank you all for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, and be good. Take care. Mwah. Kiss. Bye, y'all.